changing room and washroom and retaining walls and facilitating our camp boys. So before I go ahead with the function, I like a small tiny touch to give a love, a small bouquet to first dynamic minister and MLA of our constituency, Kalango, Mr. Michael Lobo. A big clap.
PVC Parra. I profoundly thank firstly our Honorable Minister and MLA of Kalangut, Mr. Michael Lobo, without whom this what dream you see about this ground in Parra would not be possible. He has been here from day one and he has been so much interested. Every morning he used to be there. So much of interest. This ground wouldn't have been complete without his help and his efforts and his financial help to us. Our dream is still not complete. We are still on completion. First we did the ground. We are supposed to be doing our stands. We have done the retaining walls. Now we have done the changing room. We are doing things step by step. Like you see today, so many children are gathered here. We organized a camp for 14 days from the 3rd of November till 16th. And we want to carry this camp forward. But due to certain restrictions, one is, I think the government is deciding to start offline schools even from students for children from 1st to 8th standard. It will be difficult for children to come in the morning. So we are trying to organize time to try and arrange this trainings for them, continue this training, although we have decided to be till 16, at least 2 times a week. Not only that, furthermore, we are also planning to have a tournament.
Frankie has rightly said, we have not stopped dreaming, we have just started dreaming. Dreaming Swapna Kabar Zaunk na mala tene. This has not yet been fulfilled. And I was thinking, to dream we have to sleep. And once we are asleep and we start working, our dreams are being fulfilled. Like when I say my dream is fulfilled, it's never fulfilled. My dream was to become a priest. The day I became a priest, can I say that my dream is fulfilled? No, because my dream has started. And same way you all have started working. Tumche dream, tumche स्वप्न असले बांदून हाडूंक, and now it has started. And जी संधी भुरग्यांक दितात, भुरगीं जावन आसा आमचो फुडार, भोव करून आमचे MLA आनी हांगासर सगळे जे वावुरतात, आनी जेन्ना भुरग्यांचेर नदर मारल्यान भुरगीं वाडटलीं पळयतात, भुरग्यांचो फुडार तांच्या दोळ्यांनी आसा, भुरग्यांचो फुडार तुमच्या सगळ्यांनी दोळ्यांनी आसा. आनी तांचे पासत आमी जायते करतले म्हूण जेन्ना आश्वासन दितात, तांचे पासत खरेंच काळजा मनांतल्यान वावुरया आनी एक दीस तांचो फुडार फुलाबरीत जावं असो आमी मागुया. देव बरें करूं.
आयच्या दिसा आमी हे चेंजिंग रूम आणि वॉशरूम इनॉग्रेट करतात. दिस इज अ बेसिक नीड. when players come on the ground, players जेन्ना ग्राउंडार येतात तेन्ना चेंजिंग रूम, वॉशरूम, टॉयलेट, these are the basic needs what players need. So we are inaugurating it today. I thank our Honorable Minister. Through his department, RDA department, we have done this. आणि जशें बाब फ्रँकीन सांगलां, अराउंड 14 to 15 days past आमी ह्या ग्राउंडार आमच्या भुरग्यांक फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 6 to 14 तांकां आमी ट्रेनिंग दिल्लें आहा. आनी कोचीस जे आहा, आय वॉन्ट टू थँक ऑल द कोचीस हियर. सगळे आमच्या पार्रा वेल्ला काणकाचेच कोचीस. दे आर प्रोफेशनल्स. बाय एस्ट्रीड परेरा, बाब क्लिफ्टन मार्टिन्स, बाब शदाब शेख, मोझस फेर्नांडीस आणि एलिस्टर फेर्नांडीस. All big round of applause to your coaches. गो करून कोचीस आमच्या पार्रा वेल्ला काणका गांवचे, तेका लागून ते आनी इंटरेस्ट घेतात. आमच्या दिस इज आवर फ्युचर. ऑल दीज बॉयज अँड गर्ल्स प्रेझेंट हियर, दिस इज आवर फ्युचर. तांकां ट्रेन करपाक आनी चड इंटरेस्ट घेतात. सकाळी फुडें हांगा पेरंट्स सगळ्यांक भुरग्यांक घेवन येतात, तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. दॅट शोज the interest what parents have in their children. Remember, health is wealth. आणि आम्ही जेन्ना यंग भुरग्यांक ट्रेन करतात in any field, any sports field or anything, they get liking to that activity. So चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या पेरंट्सांक जे एवरी डे हांगा भुरग्यांक घेवन येयल्या आनी दीस कॅम्प वील कंटिन्यू ऑन अ ऑल्टरनेट डे एवरी वीक. आमी हो ग्राउंड केला तो पळोवंक जाता. यू ऑल कॅन सी इन युअर आयज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ग्राउंड्स इन गोवा. तेका स्प्रिंकलर्स आहा आनी हो ग्राउंड केलो म्हणून जायना, मेंटेनन्स आसता. सो मेंटेनन्स करपाक बाब सागर आनी विनायक तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ते दीस रात ह्या ग्राउंडाचेर काम करतात. ग्राउंड केलो म्हणून जायना, तेंचे मेंटेनन्स आसता, लॉन काट करपाक आसता, तांकां सारे घालपाक आसता. सो दॅट्स वाय यू ऑल सी दीस ग्रीन अँड ब्युटिफूल ग्राउंड. हो ग्राउंड करपाक पावली आमी ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ बाब फ्रँकी, बाब ग्रेगरी, हेक्टर आणि आमचो पॅरिश प्रिस्ट ऑफ दॅट टाइम फादर एलेक्स आणि आता फादर गामा आणि बाब फादर जॉन.
Frankie sir, and it's good to see that you are still continuing it. And also I would like to thank Honorable Minister for maintaining the ground and encouraging the kids for all their sports activities. So thank you so much, and thank you to Miss Laila Robo
and the PDC club for organizing such event, and our children really enjoyed. Special thanks to our coaches for training our children. They really enjoyed after being locked down for these 2 years. It has brought excitement to them and they are looking forward for the future. Thank you.
पार्रा फुटबॉल ग्राउंड रेडी जावन तेचेर आमचे भुरगे पार्रा वेल्ला कणकाची भुरगीं आयज खेळटा. हो ग्राउंड करपाक खूब वर्सां लागली आनी with the dedication and hard work of PVC members of Frankie Viegas आणि खूप जाणां हितून क्लाउड पाचेको आहा, इवन बेनेडिक्ट डिसुजा जो एक टायमा वयलो हिंगा प्रेसिडेंटूय आसलो, या कोमनिदाद आणि प्रेसिडेंटूय हिंगा आसलो क्लबान. तेजेय कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आहा. We have taken everybody in confidence when we are doing up this place. Tinga ruling opposition, panchayatin ruling opposition आहे ना. आधी हिंगा पंचायतीन पैसे मोडलेले. तो आता फुडलो जो रिटेनिंग वॉल आसू, कंपाउंड वॉल आसू, ते तेणी घातलेले. बट रियल वर्क ऑफ द ग्राउंड वॉज पेंडिंग. आणि एका आमकां नियरली मोर दॅन 1 crore लागलो. कित्याक एका ड्रेनेज फॅसिलिटी आहा. एका in the middle of the entire ground and at the sides we have proper drainage facilities, sprinklers. Teka nearly half a meter achi reong घातलेली आहे, nearly 650-700 strips of white sand, and it is laid on a sand bed. आणि एका जे आता उरलेले फॅसिलिटी उरल्यात, जे हिंगासोर सिटिंग स्टँड अराउंड 500 people कॅपॅसिटी येवपाचे आहा, ते आमी आता फुडल्या वर्सा 2022 आमी स्टार्ट करतले. तेका ते सायडीन अनेक स्टँड येवपाचे आहा. हिंगासोर जी रिटेनिंग वॉल हिंगासोर आमी बांदल्या आख्खी टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर ग्राउंड. आणि फाटली रिटेनिंग वॉल इट कॉस्टेड अस नियरली 52 lakhs. तेजे भायर हो चेंजिंग रूम एक 25 lakhsचो आमी चेंजिंग रूम, शावर्स, टॉयलेट्स ही फॅसिलिटी दिल्ली आहा. ह्या दिसांनी लॉकर रूम्सूय फॅसिलिटी येतली. हिंगा आमचे लॉकरा भितर येतली. प्लेयरांक ती लॉकरा वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट, कीप देयर वॉच or whatever they mobile, everything inside, lock it up when they are using the ground. All these facilities were very much required, I think 15-20 years before. It took some time for various reasons, but today we are ready with this ground. It's not only this ground, we are committed towards cricket also. We have identified place for cricket in Lobowado. We have marked it on the ODP of Parra village. And we are negotiating with the owners of these fields to buy it off from them. And we will definitely give the names of their parents, great grandparents, who are the co-owners of this field. Some belong to Comunidad, some belong to private people. आम्ही ते इकते घेवपाचे आहा आणि थिंगासर उरलेल्यो फॅसिलिटी बाप प्रशांत आरांबोलकर हा हिंगा तेजो भाव प्रदीप आरांबोलकरा कडेन उलोवप चलता की आमकां बरो क्लब हाऊस पार्रा घालपाक जागो तेणे दिवचो म्हणून. तेजी लँड आहा थिंगा टचिंग 5000 स्क्वेअर मीटर. जर आमकां थिंगा 5000 स्क्वेअर मीटर मेळले जाल्यार ऑल द फॅसिलिटीज फॉर स्पोर्ट्स कॅन कम अंडर वन रूफ. It's not only football, which is the state game. It is also other games which we want to do it in Parra, so that other villages, Vella, Kanka, Giri, surrounding villages can also benefit. Basketball ha, volleyball ha, badminton indoor hall aspak जाय आमचे कडेन. आयज आमी बाब शिवराम पार्सेकराच्या आंगणान थिंगा बॅडमिंटन हे खेळता भुरगे प्रॅक्टीस करता. प्रत्येक वाड्यांनी एक एक असलो ग्राउंड जावपाक जाय. कोणे आपल्या प्रॉपर्टीन तो आमकां जागो दिवचो. वी विल डू द ग्राउंड. इट डजंट बिलोंग टू अस, इट विल बी ऑफ देम ओनली, बट अ पॅशन अँड लव फॉर दीस स्पोर्ट्स कॅन बिल्ड मोर बॅडमिंटन कोर्ट्स इन अँड अराउंड पार्रा, वेल्ला काणका. असो ग्राउंड आनी एक वेल्ला काणका जाय आमकां. देर इज लॉट ऑफ लँड ऑफ द Comunidad, but Comunidad has to give us that opportunity to do a ground like this. More grounds are required because we have so many youth, so many boys and girls. They want to play on the ground. They want different games. कोण म्हणटा आपल्याक बॅडमिंटन जाय, कोण म्हणटा आपल्याक टेबल टेनिस जाय, कोण म्हणटा I want to play volleyball. We have to give them this facility. We have to give them swimming pool, lap pool, diving pool, everything. But all these things requires land. And land is scarce. आयज जो तर आमी लँड हे घेयना, प्रोटेक्ट करिना. बाप फ्रँकी म्हाका दिसता काणका Comunidadin आहा, काणका काय वेल्ला, I don't know, काणका. But somebody has to talk to them. If they don't give, कोण ना कोण तेजेर कब्जा करून बसतले. कोण ना कोण म्हणटले आमी इतली वर्सां जाली थिंगा काजू काडटाले, कोण म्हणटले आमी आनी कितें काडटाले, कोण म्हणटले आमी सोरो काडटाले, आमी दिना. म्हाका दिसता आयज जर आमी जनरेशन नेक्स्ट की लँड प्रोटेक्ट करिना, we will not be able to do this type of facilities in entire Goa. I'm talking about Goa because we are lacking on major ground for football, cricket and indoor stadiums, indoor club houses. And हे जो तर आमी करून दिले जाल्यार the youth will be more actively involved in sports. आयज youth कितें करता? 15 वर्साचो भुरगो, they want to go on the bike because there is no other facility. And we are blaming the government, we are blaming somebody else. I think we need to blame ourselves. As Panchayat, as a MLA and as a Comunidad and as responsible citizens, we have to see and identify such lands and build these facilities. Arpara Nagwa, 2 ground आमच्याकडे अजून एकही रेडी जायना. Multiple complications. थोडे complications of the Panchayat, थोडे complications of the other owner of the land. Some complications of the tenant. आम्ही काम सुरुवात करूंक सोदता, थिंगासर कोण तरी येता म्हणटा नाका आमकां आमचे पयली फॅमिली भितर सेटलमेंट जाय केल्ले. खूब कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स आहा. बट फायनली वी वील ऑल हॅव टू सिट टुगेदर अँड रिझॉल्व दीज इश्यूज अँड स्टार्ट द वर्क फॉर द ग्राउंड, फॉर द youth and for the generation next. ना जाल्यार all these places will be occupied. All these places, shops will come. All these places will be occupied by some other people only, and we won't be able to do anything. Let us all work together to give good sports facility for the youth of not only our constituency, for the youth of Goa. And we are committed for this. Definitely, the dreams of the youth to be good sports person in the future will be achieved, and we are there to back them. We are there to guide them. We are there to build good facilities like this.
For the wonders to keep this ground clean and perfect.
दुसऱ्या
Waiting for your support. Thanks a lot. So I request. Yeah, come. Yeah, big clap for them. Come on.
these days early in the morning to get when they have a holiday. एक सर्टिफिकेट दिया यो रे बाबा Actor, you have Shuram.
वावराचे व्हड महत्व जेजू क्रिस्तानूच आमकां दाखोवन दिला. बापाचो सासणीक सोबद मनीस जावन तो वियाचो पूत म्हूण नांव घेवन ताका मानवले लीनपणी आपल्याच्या हातांनी वावराची हातयारां वापरूंक तो लागलो. हे परी आदलो पातकांचो श्राप काडून उडोवन मनशाचो वावर ताणें आशिर्वादाची जोर जायचो केलो. आपल्या आवय बापाय सांगात तो जियेलो, वाडलो, व्हडलो जालो. तर हेच मनान धरून मनीस आपलोचो वावर जेन्ना संवसारान जिविताक संबंद आसलेले सोगट विस्वाशीपणी करून ते लीनपणी देवाक समर्पिताय. इस्वात हांगासर येतली, हांगासर वावरतली सगल्यांक आमी देवा थंय उबारुयान आनी म्हणुया, आमचे बाबा
स्वर्गीच्या, तुझे नाव पवित्र जावं, तुझे राज संवसार येवं, तुझी कशी सगळ्या जाता तशी संवसारांत जावं.
Yo, honest come.
Washing the shower, urinals. Never. This is for this one, yeah. That side window ready. Toilet. Very good. No, stay side.